Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate chef rush. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on high-quality cocoa and dark chocolate for the best flavor. Next, prepare your milk and cream mixture, ensuring it's ready for heating. Then, combine the dry ingredients before slowly whisking in the liquids. This method ensures a smooth, lump-free hot chocolate every time. We'll cover precise measurements and techniques to achieve that signature richness. To begin, measure out 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 4 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate, ideally 70% cacao. For the liquid base, you'll need 3 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. This combination provides a wonderfully rich and creamy texture. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or your preferred sweetener, and a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder, sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Gradually pour in the milk and heavy cream mixture, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Heat this over medium-low heat, stirring often until it's steaming but not boiling. Once hot, remove from heat and stir in the chopped dark chocolate until it's completely melted and smooth. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. You can easily customize your hot chocolate. Try adding a dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth and complexity. For toppings, whipped cream, mini marshmallows, or chocolate shavings are always delightful. You could even experiment with a splash of peppermint extract for a festive twist. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.